Drone TV, Voice of Drone Technology, GIS and AI Technologies. Introducing Sumit Katiyal, Managing Director at Asim Navigation India Private Limited.
Could you please tell us what is the specialty of your company?
Our tagline for my main company, that is Asim Navigation, is a navigation and communication venture. So we are providing the solutions to the customers related to navigation and communication.
Okay, could you tell us that in India, what are the different technologies related to geotechnologies and navigation?
See, the industry is evolving. Initially, from last 20 odd years, people were using the technology which was less accurate. The accuracy of the GPS systems were bad. And in that case, you have to do a lot of surveys with multiple heavy tools. That market is evolving, and thanks to Survey of India for creating their own course network. Based on that, now we can do the on-the-go survey with the better accuracy. The major government departments and organizations, 80% of our business is through government, and 20% you can say corporates and other private players. In 2017 onwards, we started planning to come into the manufacturing of certain technologies, certain products, because of the initiative of Make in India. So there is a brand called Brute Force. Made Tough is a tagline for that, and we started manufacturing a couple of products under that, which is walkie-talkies and body-worn cameras, searchlights, and soon we will be moving into other technological products as well. Apart from this, we do a lot of other things, other activities in government, as we approach to the government organizations as a solution providers. We had left going to the customer selling something, rather we work on the pain areas.
Could you please tell your product is 100% indigenous or not?
See, our geospatial products are not made in India. We are representing a couple of I will say 17 major OEMs in India. And they are not Chinese, and everything is a brand we are talking about. And when we talk about the production thing, we are up to 70%, 60 to 70% we are making in India.
Could you tell us about some products related to geotechnology and navigation?
So there's this Brute Force walkie-talkie, as I told, it's a communication device. Walkie-talkie, everybody's using. In your industry, it is being used widely. Apart from that, geospatial technologies, we are partners with a Canadian product called as EOS Navigation Technologies, and they are manufacturing high-level GNSS receivers, and it has multiple different features which is well accepted by the customer, because it's not bulky, it's handheld, and you don't have to pay multiple money by the mandates of the software and the control stations. So it is like one small unit and open to use with multiple options.
That's great to hear, sir. Is your product cost competitive?
It is, yes.
Okay. Could you tell us about different materials used for that, or different softwares?
See, there are a lot of softwares available, free softwares available for the mapping and asset management. So apart from that, a lot of companies, a lot of organizations, a lot of departments are making their own softwares also, and our equipment is compatible with those softwares. So that is the plus thing.
What inspired you to come to this expo?
See, Drone Expo is a combination of technologies wherein it's not only drone, it's the name is drone, but the technology is being used for multiple activities in terms of geospatial. That was the purpose we are here. Although after coming here, we got to know about a lot of products which are good for surveillance and securities and other applications as well.
So, could you tell us any of the stalls or any of the innovation that caught your attention?
Okay, there is one EROV, that product, underwater product, underwater UAV. Not UAV, we will say it as underwater unmanned vehicle.
Drone or unmanned drone?
Yeah, so then another is Rumor.
Yes.
So these are the two technologies, those products.
How is your experience at this expo?
Enjoyed. Good. Learned a lot. Looking forward for more.
Oh, thank you, sir. Would you like to connect with Drone TV for your brand expansion?
Yes, we are already associated with you, and apart from that, we are looking for more ways to get attention by our viewers.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir, for giving your time and enjoy your day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI-driven solutions. To partner with us or promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in. Contact us at +917 5201 23555.